This is tremolo, which trembles everything inside of me. Can we stop talking? I can't wait to try this. If it feels so good in my palm, then you never know. I may have just found the cutest little stress buster that fits in your palm. It's quiet, chic, and yes, it actually works. Ever wondered if your massager could survive in a bathtub? Stick around. We're about to dunk this one while it's on. Hey you, welcome back. And if you're new here, congratulations, you've officially made it to the fun, cozy side of the algorithm. Today we're talking about Mischief Tremolo. She's like a multi-starrer movie, and that too a blockbuster. Fits in your hand, disappears in your drawer, and has a little bit of a magic touch. Let's get into it. First thing I noticed, the packaging is actually discreet. If you've ever hesitated to order something because you're worried about what the box will look like, same. But when you order Mischief Tremolo from their site, it shows up in a plain brown box. No flashy logos, no weird shapes. Just something that blends right in. Perfect if you're like me and value privacy. But the real magic starts with what's inside. You get Mischief Tremolo herself. 3 exciting heads, a stretchy finger strap, a USB charging cable, a soft pouch for when you're on the go, and a quick no-fuss manual. Basically, everything you need to get going and nothing that will end up collecting dust in a drawer. Now let's talk about the design. Just look at this matte silicone finish. So sleek and smooth. And don't let the size fool you. This little rebel tucks into your pocket or bag so easily, making her the perfect travel buddy. Tremolo comes with 3 different heads, and honestly, they all kind of serve a different mood. First up is the bristler. It's got this soft, brushy tip that sort of glides across your skin. Great when you want to take your time and let the vibe build up naturally. And then there's the tickler. This one's small, sleek, and super focused. It's for those precise, no fuss, straight to the point moments. And then we have the flutter. This one's a little wild in the best way. It keeps you on your toes. Definitely the playful one of the group. They all just pop on and off depending on what you're in the mood for. The single tactile button gives you quick access to what feels good. Every detail feels thought through. Tremolo has 3 speeds and 7 patterns, but they're not your typical just turn it up and hope for the best kind of vibes. These actually feel curated. If you're someone who loves variety, well, she gives you plenty of room to play without things ever feeling too much. Alright, let's get real about performance. Mischief Tremolo is made for external magic. Think clit, nipples, and all your favorite little zones. No overkill, no missing the mark, just sweet, targeted vibes that make you wonder why you didn't try this sooner. Here's how you can turn her on. Put on the finger strap, pop on any of the heads or not. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to turn her on. Tap the same button to cycle through the different vibration modes. You can also pair her with a loop if you feel like. Mischief has 4 loops to choose from, each with a unique fragrance to match your mood or mix it up. Ever wondered if a massager can actually survive a bathtub? With other massagers, that might be a gamble, but not with Mischief Tremolo. This little powerhouse comes with an IPX6 waterproof rating, which means it's protected against water jets and splashes. So yeah, bath time just got a serious upgrade. Something I didn't realize I'd care about this much. And for cleaning, rinse it under warm water with a gentle soap and it's good as new. Here's how you can charge it. Super simple. Step 1. Insert the pin charger fully into the charging port at the base of the device. Step 2. Plug the USB end of the charger into any USB port, laptop, adapter, power bank, etc. Step 3. While charging, the LED light will blink to show it's in progress. Step 4. Once it's fully charged, the light will stop blinking and stay ready. Step 5. Unplug and you're good to go. She's fully juiced and ready when you are. What makes Mischief Tremolo stand out? Those swappable heads! Seriously, game changing. Each one delivers a totally different sensation. And the finger strap, still a genius touch. It's snug, stretchy, and lets you guide the vibe like an extension of your own hand. No slipping, no awkward angling. Just full control. Right where you want it. It's like having 4 vibes in one. Tailored to your mood, your pace, your pleasure. So, is she worth the hype? Honestly, I think I've just made a new regular habit. Tremolo's not here to put on a show. She's calm, classy, and quietly gets the job done really well. Also, if you're just starting out, this one's a solid yes. Here's your Mischief Tremolo recap. Short, sweet, and straight to the point. 4 distinct sensations, from pinpoint precision to soft surround. 7 patterns, 3 speeds. Whisper quiet motor. Tactile single button. Smooth silicone body. Waterproof with IPX6 rating. USB rechargeable. Compact plus travel friendly. That's the full walkthrough. If you've been curious about starting your journey in this space, Mischief Tremolo might be the one for you. You can order one from Mischief's official online partner Love Depot or get it from your favorite delivery app. And yes, you're covered with warranty. Always a win. That's a wrap on this unboxing. If you've got thoughts, questions, or just want to say hi, the comments are wide open. Links are in the description below. Whenever you're ready to make the move. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.